Hey everyone, so I'm going to do a quick little video on just designing a to-do list. I'm going to start very basic and then I'm going to design this and then we can build it together in Adalo. So we can go through this process from start to finish together and let's see what we can come up with. I'm going to be building in Adalo and designing it in Figma, and I'm going off the top of my head right here, so bear with me. I like doing a little 30. Let's do the welcome screen. Welcome. I'm going to call this app. I'm going to call this Welcome to Enzo. Obviously, I like using display and make this 28. Keep this bold. Welcome to Enzo. Let's get test track. Let's get test done. Let's complete your daily tasks together. And I'm gonna make this medium, and let's go ahead and lower this to like a gray. Alright. Okay, and let's move this up from black. Never good to just use exactly black. I like 2 1 2 1 2 1. Alright. And yeah, let's do something like that. Script these together and let's make this like 16. Let's actually make these a little closer. Okay. So we got that. And okay, I like it longer. All right, so then what we're gonna do is, I'm actually gonna bring this down. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna type in login, and we're gonna make this 18, make this bold, and let's go ahead and add these text fields. So 340, 354, and I'm gonna get it like, how far away is this? Move this in like 20. And let's do 350. Okay, let's bring the login here. Let's go ahead and add 12 to this, and let's make this like a really light. And I want to just move this in just a little. And enter email. Okay. We're gonna lower this to like 16, make this medium, and I'm gonna make this like a gray. Okay. Now, obviously, I'm not going through all the design system stuff because I just like I'm not taking this like super serious. We're just building things and gonna have fun together. Definitely want to line that up with that, and I kind of want Enzo to. I'm gonna make this a different color and do something like. Let's do a blue. I always do purple and green, and let's do that. Okay, so enter email and then enter password. And actually, I kind of I kind of want to make this. I kind of want to make this, and I kind of want to lower your eyes from. Yeah, I don't want to draw too much attention, but I really want to draw. Yeah, I think that's better. Okay. What I really want to do is draw attention to the button. We're going to make sure that these are, and we need to add, I forgot, password here. Yeah, password. And this guy is going to be centered in here. We're going to do like, yeah, 12. And we definitely want to make sure that this is, yeah, something like that. Alright, and then get rid of this, ungroup this, and what we're going to do is go get that blue. Yeah, something like that. And let's do, I love doing all caps. I don't know why. Just a huge fan. And what I've been doing also is I love grabbing the same color and doing like a little something like this. And let's go ahead and add a 15 by 30. And again, like using the color. And we're going to bring this down to like 50. Okay, so now what we have is a nice little group these together and group these together. And what we have is a nice little, you know, subtle, clean login screen so far. And honestly, what I can do, because Adalo is going to definitely let us do this, is Enzo, welcome to Enzo, and what I can do is grab this and make this like this. And I'll make this, we'll see if Adalo is going to let us play nice, if it's going to play nice with us, but when we go to create like this different color contrast here, doesn't do a great job with that, but we definitely need it. So let's go that, and then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and add this at the bottom. Don't have an account. Sign up here. And it's gonna be like 14. Okay, so far we have our app. This is Enzo, and looking pretty clean so far. I might want to add like a circle to like, why does this keep happening? Okay, I'm gonna copy this, and what I want to do is maybe add something like this, put it behind, and maybe I can even add this blue, and then we're going to add some effects. It's going to be layer blur, and it's going to be 300. And let's, actually let's do 100. And we're going to just tone it down just a smidge. Maybe brighten it up a little. We can add some, maybe we bring this down here like this, right? Yeah, I like how this is looking. And honestly, I kind of want to just bring this down just to like a gray. Alright. And yeah. Okay, so then what we're gonna do, we're gonna copy this and we're gonna change this to sign up. And what I'm gonna do is gonna add a rectangle. And we're gonna do 8, 12. Okay, and what I like doing is grabbing this gray here like this. And use the same gray in here. Okay, and then what we can do is we can add a nice little stroke. Grab that stroke, let's add this blue. And I'm gonna go ahead and use SF symbols here. So let's go to Chevron. Let's copy symbol, put this right in here. Let's make this like a medium and brought this down like 17. Okay, center this. All right. And sign up, we're gonna need email, we're gonna need, let's click, let's hide this, and let's like change this color. Probably gonna make the accent color like a, let's make it like a purple, you know? And then let's make this, yeah, let's make this into like a purple as well. And then let's grab this and put this in here. Make sure we use this submit purple. And this drop shadow is going to be perfect. Okay, and sign up is going to be, oh, we should definitely make this purple then. And then sign up is going to be email, password. We don't need to forget password, but we should definitely first and last name. Okay, then we're going to submit, and we make this about 20. Okay, so we have a very minimalist app. And kind of want to bring this guy up here. I don't like that. Okay, and what we'll do is perfect. We'll just keep this super simple. Nothing crazy, right? And then, because we want to get people into the app as soon as possible, what we'll do is we're going to create the home page here. So we'll delete all this. Okay, and then honestly, we're going to need one onboarding page. Just to kind of explain what Enzo does. So far this is looking really good. We're gonna be, the goal is to keep it simple, right? Because we have to build this in Adalo. So Adalo does have some design restrictions, but for the most part, let's rename this login, name this sign up, and just do some little header group. background circle. Login info. Send info. And we're done with link. Okay, and we're gonna drag this back. Button back. Submit. Button. Submit. Drag this right there. And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna put these in an isolation one. So I just added a auto layout in here, and then I'm gonna head into this and make sure it says 20 to space this out correctly. And background circle. Okay. And then this is all clean, so we're good to go. And yeah, this is it so far. So stay tuned in the next episode. We're gonna, get through home, onboarding, and then focus on building this app. And yeah, should be very easy to build, and I'm just gonna run through this quick.